Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To all respective participants of the International Economic and Business Conference, let me introduce myself. My name is Elvi Amira Marshida and my colleague Mrs. Muhriana Muhran. We are from the Faculty of Economic and Business, Muhammadiyah University of Makassar. On this occasion, we will present our research include comparison before and after interest rate cut on bank profitability. Introduction, the development of the financial system is greatly influenced by the banking system, which is fundamentally an important component in maintaining the financial system stability. By managing the money received in deposits and offering credit facilities to promote economic activity, bank plays a significant role in the economy and enhances people well-being. Therefore, bank must be able to survive in their operational activities with the main goal of bank operations being to increase profitability. The central bank of the United States, the Federal Reserve, suppressed the world by cutting the benchmark interest rate by 50 basis points to 4.75%. 5%. This study was conducted to analyze the difference before and after interest rate cuts on bank profitability. In the next is literature review. Signaling theory. Signaling theory is when the sender owner of information gives a signal signal to another person that indicates the condition of a company or organization. Number two, bank profitability. The main goal of bank operations is to achieve profitability, which can be obtained by attracting customers to save and borrow money from the bank and inviting shareholders to invest in the bank. Return on asset is used in the study to quantify profitability. The primary metric is to evaluate how well bank generates profits from their total assets is return on asset. Number three, the impact of interest rate policy. Interest rate policy is often said to be the main factor affecting the profitability and stability of the banking sector. When central banks, such as the Fed, interest rates, borrowing costs become lower, which can boost credit growth and interest investment activity. The next, research gap and objectives. The impact of interest rate change on Indonesian banks' profitability has already been examined by researchers. This is the main topic of the monetary policy analysis. Research Hidayat and Rednasi 2023 explores how general change in the interest rates affect profitability without highlighting specific invest or cuts such as the September 18, 2024 Patah by the Fed. The study fills the gap by focusing on the impact of specific rate cuts from the Fed and linking them directly to ROA, profitability, new perspective, and more targeted analysis. The next is hypothesis. This study primary goal is to compare bank profitability as shown by return on asset before and after the Fed's interest cuts. Before and after the Fed's rate cut, the bank profitability did not change significantly. One, the profitability of banks before and after the Fed's rate drop differs significantly. The next is methodology. Quantitative methods are used in the study to evaluate the difference in bank profitability before return on asset before and after the U.S. Federal Reserve interest rate cut in banking companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. The other that is sourced from the official website of Indonesia Stock Exchange, www.idx.co.id. The outer sampling strategy is known as the purposive sampling approach. The others criteria are banking components that submit financial statement for the second and third quarters and are listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange and the Mine Leasing Board. There are 35 companies that are samples in this study. The study employed descriptive analysis, Shapiro test, and Wilcoxon non-parametric differential test. The next is ratio descriptive statistic. No, second, the Shapiro-Wilk test, and then Wilcoxon non-parametric differential test. In the table above, a statistical descriptive test on return on asset showed that the average value on bank ROA increases after the interest rate cut. Before that, the trim, the main value was 0.0065, and after the trim, it rose to 0.0136 with an increase. It means that the average bank's ability to generate profits from assets interest after the interest rate cut. In other words, bank become more efficient in generating profits after the change in interest rate policy. Based on the Shapiro-Wilk normality test table above, the significance value of both is 0.000 or less than 0.05, which indicates that the data is not distributed normally. More than 0.05 is the significant. There's whole required to be considered normal. As a result, the Wilcoxon test, a non-parametric differential test that is more suitable to be used to check for difference. Based on the table above, Hanel was rejected and Ha1 was accepted based on the results of the Wilcoxon test, which showed a significant difference in ROA before and after the rate cut. A significant value of 0.000 is less than a significant level of 0.05. The Fed's change in interest rate policy in this case has statistically in this table significant effect on bank profitability. This is the next discussion. The results show that the ROA return on asset before and after the interest rate drop differs significantly in line with the hypothesis tests that were conducted. It can concluded that the United States Fed's interest rate cuts have an effect on bank profitability. So there is significant difference. This means that this information shows that the Fed interest rate cut policy really affect bank profitability. This information is also useful for parties such as bank management, investor, and policymakers because it provides in the evidence that interest rate change have a real impact, so they can strategize and make better decision based on this data. The next conclusion, this study compares the profitability of bank listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange before and after interest rate reduction. It focuses on banks that are listed on the Mine Leasing Board and submit financial statement for the second and third quarters. The key conclusion demonstrates that bank profitability as determined by return on asset differs significantly before and after the Fed rate cut, indicating that the shift in interest rate policy actually affected the financial performance of the bank. In other words, after the interest rate cut, bank profitability has changed considerably. This shows that monetary policy can directly affect in the bank sector. And then, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.